Hello everyone. We all like photographs, right? Do you agree? Nowadays we all are having latest mobile phones and we take any kind of photos or selfies in each and every day. Come let us see more about this photography. Photography is the science, art, and practice of creating durable images by recording light or other electromagnetic radiation, either electronically by means of an image sensor or chemically by means of a light sensitive material such as photographic film. Do you all want to know what is the first photograph? Yes, the first photograph or the earliest known surviving photograph was taken by Joseph Nice for Kneepeck in 1826. The image depicts the view from an upstairs window at Kneepeck Estate, Ligras in France. It is taken with a camera obscure, that is pinhole camera. And do you all want to know the first selfie? Yes, the first light picture and human portrait ever taken. So in the olden days, we used to call the first light picture. Then only, now we are calling selfies. Robert Cornelius, self-portrait, October or November 1839, approximate quarter plate daguerreotype, which is a procedure invented in 1839 using silver on a copper plate. The first light picture ever taken. This self-portrait is the first photographic portrait image of a human ever produced. And the first color photograph. Although color photography was explored throughout the 19th century, initial experiments in color resulted in projected temporary images rather than permanent color images. Moreover, until the 1870s, the emulsions available were not sensitive to red or green light. The first color photo, an additive projected image of a tartan ribbon, was taken in 1861 by the Scottish physicist James Clerk Maxwell. World Photography Day is observed worldwide on 19th of August every year with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. The day is not only celebrated by the staunch followers of photography but all the people across the globe, irrespective of their professions and interests, come together and inspire the coming generations to understand the importance of photography. On this particular day, millions of people capture different ideas and share their world with others, try to dwell in the imaginations of other photographers, and moreover, try bringing more happiness through the means of photography. World Photography Day is celebrated so that people around the world can communicate their feelings and express themselves through the art of photography. The whole idea behind the day is to hold the discussions about photography, encourage those who want to pursue photography as a hobby or career. At the same time, on this day, the pioneers who inspired others to take up the skill are remembered for their contribution. Significance and history. The origin of the day lies in the invention of the daguerreotype, a photographic process which was developed by Frenchmen Louis Daguerre and Joseph Nice for Kneepeck in 1837. So world first selfie and world's first photograph we have seen. So photography is the story I failed to put into words, said by Destin Sparks. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I agree. I hope you all have understood something about World Photography Day, and I hope you all are ready with your latest camera phone to take a selfie or a photograph and to upload in your favorite social media. Yes? Okay. Once again, happy World Photography Day. Thank you all.